Anyways, today I'm going to be testing the 0 to 60 times out on this car, my RSX Type S. I did a video launching it already. That one did pretty good, but I think this one will do better because I'm doing an actual 0 to 60 time with this cool app. I will show you guys this is the like Hondata app. It connects to the K Pro. So right now it's scanning. Is it going to connect? There we go. It connected. So right now it's connected to the car. So if I start the car, as you can see, it reads out all my stuff in real time. And it's not like those crappy like ones that plug in and do Bluetooth through your OBD port. This one's actually like super real time. So I believe it's riced out Corolla or what. Anyways, so yeah, this thing is pretty cool. Really cool. And then the racetrack mode, you can go ahead, you can set it up. I like to show the gears. I think that's really cool. And then there's like a lap time mode. I can put it to drag mode, and then I hit ready, and then basically it just goes whenever I accelerate. So it'll do a 0 to 60 time for me and all that. So yeah, let's do that. I did this video before. I literally filmed everything and realized that I had this stupid thing down so you couldn't see anything. Try when these people pass. So basically I'm just gonna go straight onto the road. I guess we should do e-brake up. Okay, we're gonna hit ready. So now it's ready when I accelerate. Hit the 2-step. Down my stuff. Let's see here. I hope you guys can see. So max speed 78 because I went into 3rd gear there. It'll show you your, I guess that's my quarter. Oh, but it's because I let off. I guess if I would have gone to like the top of 3rd gear, it would have done like my quarter mile. But yeah, so basically 0 to 60 time 5.8. That's pretty freaking good. I'll probably do it a couple more times. This is all in Mexico. This is CGI. None of this is real. Pretty cool. It gives you a little summary and stuff, so we'll try a couple more times. Show you guys some other cool stuff it has. Basically, you can check anything like sensor related on your car, like any kind of sensor you have hooked up. It goes straight to the K Pro, which is super cool. First, the app crashed. Frick. Alright, I guess that means I gotta do another one. Oh, we need drag. Okay, we're gonna try again right now. From the middle. Felt better because I didn't have to like steer all over the place, but I kind of short shifted first, so we'll see. 5.9, respectable. Yeah, pretty expected. I probably would have put the clips in already from the last video I tried to film, but I got like basically the same thing. It was all like 5.9, 5.9, you know, 5.8. Yeah, this car is basically bolt-ons RSX Type S. I have okay size tires, 235. Not very big with the wide body, but you know, I wanted to have really good fitment. I like a little bit of stretch on there, so 235s. Yeah, NT05s, limited slip, motor mounts. That's about it. So 5.8 is your best you're gonna get on a bolt-ons RSX. Yeah, currently I'm just running the base map tune with like a little bit of tweaking to get it to run better on the flex fuel with E85, because the Sirimoto kit for the flex fuel makes it so you just basically have plug and play flex fuel, and then K Pro V4 comes with like its own preset stuff where you can enter in you know, basically just check a box and then it will tune the car for E85, whatever the sensor detects in the car. So yeah, not like professionally tuned or anything. I'm going to be professionally tuned once I supercharge this thing with the Craftworks kit. And Yash Tuned, super big shout out to him. He's going to be helping me with that. Basically hit me up and was like, hey, I want to help you out with your channel. I'm a fan of the channel, blah blah blah. So super cool. That dude is awesome. Check him out. He does really great stuff. He's over in Texas. He tunes a lot of like Hondas and stuff. Really great guy. Definitely check him out. Anyways guys, so there you go. Full bolt-ons RSX Type S 5.8. Pretty good, but hoping for like 3 or 4 seconds with the Craftworks kit. So stay tuned for that. If you are new to the channel, subscribe for more stuff like this. If you like the video, drop a like. That's a like. Drop a like down below. If you didn't like it, drop a dislike down below. I don't care. It doesn't really affect me. If anything, it helps me because then I get to know if you guys like the video. Anyways, catch you guys next time. Peace out.